says if you took the DNA from all the cells in your body and you lined it up end to end, it will form a strand 6,000 million miles long. This is how much information you have inside of you, family, but very, very thin. To store this information material, DNA molecules are tightly packed around amino acid compounds called proteins. See that? These histines can make structures called chromosomes. So this is how much information, and this is where you get something called the Akashic records from. You know, a lot of people talk about the Akashic records, and the Akashic records is basically an infinite intelligent library within inside of your DNA that they label junk DNA. But if you activate it through breath work, if you activate it through fruit fasting, if you activate it through stimulating your pineal gland, if you activate it to ADP peroxidase and just doing all things to fire off your cells real fast, you can actually open up this cosmic library and all information will be available to you at the snap of a finger, meaning every language already exists inside of your DNA. You just haven't unraveled that DNA and tapped into it yet. Every event that ever happened in existence, the past, the future, and the present, because it's only really the present now. All of this information is already in you. See what the prophets do. That's why they say, oh, you got a gift of prophecy. Now, you do have a gift of prophecy, but you have the ability to tap in the sequence of your genes and your DNA to open up the Akashic records or what you would call the actual Akashic library to go to a specific timeline and recall an event. That's prophecy. All this is within us, y'all. We are the gods and goddesses of this realm, and I can't speak that enough. And we see this right now. Now, look, check this out. It says 1.5 gigabytes times 100 trillion cells, 150 trillion gigabytes, or 150 times 10, 12 times 9 bytes of zettabytes. So you have 150 zettabytes in your body. Do y'all understand how much information that is that's inside of you? You literally are a walking simulation or a walking computer that holds millions and millions and millions and millions of hard drives of information. That's why knowledge is power, because you get true power when you unlock it. What if I tell you that there's 3 superfoods that can help you do that? And this is not about money. If it was about money, I would say it was the 3 herbs and buy these herbs for me. I'm not even talking about herbs. I'm talking about 3 superfoods that I don't produce or that I don't make. You can go buy them from the store. You can pick them from your garden, or you can go to your local farmer's market to get it. This is just free information to stimulate the minds of my people. That's all this is. You see what I'm saying? So it behooves us to really, really listen to this information, family.